Well, hello, Jacobine paper floors that are 10 years old now. This is where it all started, our very first paper floor that we did. And by we, I mean me. Brown paper floor, crunkled up with Elmer's glue and water. And then I stained it with Jacobine stain and put a bunch of polyurethane on top. And it has held up for 10 years amazingly well. I've never put any more poly on it. I've never done any kind of touch-up since that first month afterwards. And yes, there are scratches. There's a big scratch, right? There's a bunch of little tiny scratches. Here's kind of a bigger defect right there. That's probably 5 years old. I could have easily filled it in and polyed it, but I never did. A couple other bigger scratches. Now, mind you, we have 4 cats and a pug. And my little 7-year-old sweet boy is now 17. So this is our main downstairs bathroom. It's the only bathroom we have downstairs. It doubles as my utility room because I have to use the sink in here. We ended up doing our entire house with this floor treatment at one point. And about 5 years ago, we had it for about 5 years. And then 5 years ago, I went and put in these wide plank wood laminate floors instead, but we kept the paper floors in the powder room. I never have done the transition yet. It's been 5 years and it's going to be gross, guys, if I'm going to show you. The transition, you can see, here's a good little history. So this is the gross chipboard that's the base, and here is some of the paper that has been torn back. I think we had a little foster daughter that lived here, and I think she started tearing that one day just for fun. And you can see here how it's lifted a little bit. And this is some of the older ones that we had underneath, because this was my test room. I did it, and then I stained it, and if I didn't like the stain, I went and I repapered the whole thing and tried it again. So it probably has about 4 layers on it. And this shows you right here the different layers. This top layer here that's probably, I don't know if that's 2 layers worth of paper in that. But we never put the transition piece here yet because I am going to actually, I'm contemplating covering this, guys. I don't know. It's served us well for 10 years, but I'm going to update this bathroom. I hate the color of the walls. I just want to redo the whole thing. And I think it's time to say goodbye to my paper floors. My mom says I should keep it, but we'll see. We'll see what we do. I just wanted to update you and let you know 10 years later, amazing material. You can't do a less expensive floor. And it just has kept up wonderfully, and people always compliment anytime they would come in, what kind of floors are those? But they may be leaving. But I just wanted to show you guys it's a good option if you need something and you don't have money to get your wood laminate floors or tile floors or whatever you want. It's a good option, and it holds up with kids and pets.